Is AI replacing marketing and salespeople? Is it going to replace your job? Here's the answer. In my opinion, if you're good at what you do, absolutely not. Certainly not for the foreseeable future. I mean, AI is the worst copywriter ever. If you email me and I can tell it was written by AI, which by the way, I will be able to tell, I will just disregard the email. If you message me, you know, the worst is what I see on LinkedIn when someone posts a really cheesy AI post and then the comments are also, it's like, who's actually got an opinion here? I mean, look, let me prove my point. ChatGPT, hope you're good. Could you please write an advert, a puff piece, a paragraph or two about Samuel Leeds, the property investor, the property trainer, and just explain in your own words who he is, what he does, from an advertorial copywriting perspective. So here's what it says. Now you tell me if you think this is good copywriting. You tell me if this will be like, wow, yeah, powerful. Look, here we go. Meet Samuel Leeds, property powerhouse, passionate, proven, practical. I mean, straight away, we don't talk like that. I mean, who speaks with that level of alliteration? That's one of the ways I can tell that something was written by AI, if it's just cheesy GCSE alliteration. Looking to level up your life with property profits. Again, property profit, that's what it does. It just speaks in constant alliteration. Look, again, want a deep dive into real estate reality without the fluff, fuss, or fake gurus? At this point, I would stop reading the email. This is absolutely disgusting. Look no further. Samuel Leeds is a dedicated, dynamic, and why is it constantly got alliteration? What the hell, man? Samuel Leeds is a dedicated, dynamic, and driven property mentor with a mission to mentor. What's going on? Why is ChatGPT broken in this alliteration? With years of experience, millions in property, and a heart for hands-on help, Samuel's strategies are simple, scalable, and seriously effective. Who talks like this? Nobody. Humans intrinsically buy from humans, H to H, and AI is not human. So when you get AI to start doing your stuff for you and writing, and what happens is it almost dehumanises the sales process, which is going to lead to no sales. If you see people talking about, oh, AI can just do it all for you. AI can, run a YouTube channel without having to show your face. Sorry. If you don't want to have to show your face because you find that nerve-wracking and you just feel a bit uncomfortable, YouTube's not for you. It's not for you. If you think you can just use AI and do nothing and just be like, I'm going to start a business and start a YouTube channel and get AI to write the scripts for me, and then AI has no original thought. And it just constantly works in alliteration. From buy-to-let basics and rent-to-rent riches. I need to take the stop alliteration. But no matter what I tell it and how I prompt it, it is not human. Samuel shares step-by-step systems to help you succeed. Is this some kind of a joke? This is ridiculous. No gimmicks, no gatekeeping, just genuine guidance and groundbreaking growth. Oh! Join the Property Power Tribe. Okay, that one's not alliteration, but it's cheesy as hell. Learn the secrets of success that you never learned in school and follow Samuel for clarity, consistency, and cash flow. Your financial freedom is waiting. That is disgusting. Samuel Leeds, learn property. I'm done. So what's the lesson? The lesson is ChatGPT amazing? Yeah, it is. It's all right. I can't lie. I use ChatGPT every day. I use ChatGPT instead of using Google. Let me explain. All ChatGPT is it scrapes the internet and then it puts it in one place and tells you, and it will give you the sources. So if I want to know something, like if I say, like I was watching a movie last night and I thought, I wonder how old Kate Hudson was. We were watching How to Lose a Guy in 10 Days, me and my wife. I'm like, I wonder how old she was in this movie. How old does she look? I asked ChatGPT. That's good, because rather than me Googling it and then going, what year was it? What? ChatGPT gets all the information and Wolfman can tell you stuff. That's fantastic. But if you start saying to ChatGPT, oh, can you find me a HMO in Wolverhampton? Is this a good deal? Oh, how do I work out commercial value? It just pulls stuff from the internet. But let me tell you something about the internet. A lot of stuff on the internet is wrong. Just because anyone can write a blog and put it on Google. And if people are doing that and ChatGPT's then pulling that information and then just presenting it filled with no fluff, no gimmicks, just pure alliteration. You can't get rich off of just using AI. You can't get rich from just being like, I want AI to do it all for me and I'm going to do nothing. Come on, get real. You need to get good at copywriting. You need to get good at making YouTube videos. You need to get good at sales, at marketing, because AI has no original thought. So what do you think though? Maybe I'll look back in maybe I'm just old. Maybe I'll look back in 5 years and go, I was wrong. But I'd love to know your thoughts in the comments. If you want to learn the skills yourself and not rely on a machine that is not human and will depersonalize your potential investors, customers, and staff, you want to learn how to actually market, how to actually sell, how to find good deals, how to calculate the return on investment yourself without relying on a machine, then I'm happy to show you. I'm happy to work with you and show you. Come and join me. I've got a free online training. It's not AI. It's actually me. And if you want to come and join me, I'll leave a link in the description. I'll see you there and let me know your thoughts on AI and on this video in the comments.